Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the course of Computer Networks for third year and sixth semester. Uh, I'm Neha Sharma, Assistant Professor at Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Engineering College, Jhalawad. So, let's get started. So, in the last class, we have discussed about queuing theory, basically the fundamentals of queuing theory. And with various examples we have discussed about the types of the models like single server, multiple server, and length of the queue, finite length, infinite length, and with the population like finite population model or infinite population model. So these are basically the different type of models and the considerations. I have explained this with very basic daily life examples like a doctor's visit of patients to to his clinic, and the railway reservation system, basically the one which is offline. And with various examples we have discussed these things, and we taught means we got to know that the arrival rate is given by lambda per hour, which is a Poisson distribution, and service is given by as mu per hour, which is basically a exponential distribution. So in today's lecture we shall be discussing about pure birth process and pure death process, what it basically is. Okay. So in this, the arrival of customers, basically the arrival of customers, it is basically implies with the birth, and the departure of the customers implies with death. Okay. So I can say here customer word can be changed to a job or a work which is being given to a server. Okay. So any job or any work that is coming to the server is basically known as the birth process. And when the work is done and when it is going out of the system, it is basically being implied as death process. So in pure birth models, only arrivals are happening and no departures are happening. Okay. So an example of this thing is a creation of birth certificate for newborns. Okay. So we are giving, there is no death process in it, or there is no exit processes in it. Okay. So the creation of birth certificates for newborns, the arrival are denoted by the Poisson distribution, which is basically a lambda per hour. It is given by lambda per hour, and it is a memoryless system. Okay. And the departure or death is basically characterized by exponential distribution, and it is given by parameter mu. Okay. So as you know that Poisson distribution, for Poisson distribution, okay, I am writing the basic mathematical representation for your Poisson distribution. Okay. Please don't mind the uh, this. Don't mind this. Okay. Please don't mind my writing. Okay. So it is like really very hard to write it. Okay. So the probability density function of Px equals to uh, k is given by lambda k exponential minus lambda and over to k factorial. Okay, so that is the reason, and here k is basically the number of occurrences. Okay, so as you know from your basic mathematics of your 10th 12th क्लास, वहाँ पॉइजन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस आपने पढ़े थे. तो whenever सी के जब भी नंबर ऑफ occurrences बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं या जब भी डेटा हमारे पास it is like in a very large number, we go for Poisson distribution. Okay, so it is number of k is basically number of occurrences. Okay, that's why this Poisson distribution is basically characterized by your lambda. Lambda is a parameter which describes your Poisson distribution. It is basically an average value. Lambda is basically an average value, or you can say mean, average value, or it is a mean value. Similarly, your exponential distribution distribution I'm writing it as shortcut. It is basically given by your probability density function fx is given by like 1 upon mu e raised to the power minus 1 upon mu x. So there are like various types of representation for your exponential. You can replace 1 by mu with m, and you can see m equals to exponential minus m x. Okay, x is a variable, so it can be given like this. So you can see the exponential, it is basically depends upon the your mu parameter, and your Poisson distribution is characterized by your basically lambda parameter. Lambda भी यहाँ पे average value है, mean value है. Similarly exponential distribution में जो आपका mu है which is basically your mean value. Okay, so going back to your this pure birth process. So for your pure birth means there is no death or there is no departure. It is basically, I can say your mu I is 0, there is no death, and for your pure death process means there is no birth, means your lambda is 0. Okay, so I have given it in terms of probability terms, probability of an arrival at lambda t time. Okay, so this server is empty and one arrival is happening. An arrival means I can say one arrival. Okay, so ये जो examples हमने यहाँ पे लिए हैं, these are examples of a single server. Remember this thing. There is no multiple server. Basic single server हमने यहाँ पे लिया है. So the probability of an arrival at lambda t time at delta t time is lambda delta t. Okay, and to know there is no arrival. Second case, this is your first case, and second case is when there is no arrival. When there is no arrival, already some process is already going on. कोई यहाँ पे arrival नहीं है और already जो server है it is being served for some process. So it is 1 minus lambda delta t. It is like this. Means there is no arrival and already some service or somebody is there in that system and it is coming out of that. तो यहाँ पे no arrival है. Last case, your third case is when there are more than one arrivals. There are more than one arrivals and they are at delta time. At very less time, so many arrivals are happening at one time and we have only one server for this. तो इस केस में जो आपकी probability होगी, it is very very negligible. Okay. Next is your pure death process. Pure death process means when there is no additional customers join the system while the service is continued for those who are in queue. मतलब there is no additional customer there is no additional customer join the system. ठीक है, कोई एक्स्ट्रा में ऐड नहीं हो रहा है, कोई इनकमिंग नहीं हो रही है, ऑलरेडी जो इसके अंदर क्यू में जो हमारे पास सर्विसेज थी, उसको सर्विस प्रोवाइड होके एक एक करके दे आर कमिंग आउट ऑफ द सिस्टम, ठीक है। कोई एक्स्ट्रा ऐड नहीं हो रहा है हमारे पास, देयर इज नो एक्स्ट्रा एडिशन इन इट। सो इन दिस केस there are already n number of services that are going on, and after the completion of services they are coming out of the system like this one. तो जो भी डिपार्चर्स हो रहे हैं उनको हम डेथ प्रोसेस बोल रहे हैं बेसिकली, और जो भी डेथ प्रोसेस है इट इज सर्विस प्रोवाइड होने के बाद व्हेन देयर टास्क हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड दे आर कमिंग आउट ऑफ द सिस्टम, ओके। So the probability is given for one death. For one death it is mu and delta t. Mu and delta t is given for one death. Similarly, for no death 1 minus mu delta t, and if it is more than one death means so many things are happening, so many deaths are happening, then its probability is given by negligible, or so many departures are happening basically, so that its probability is given negligible, because it is basically delta t is very less time, at delta t time, at very less time this thing is happening, so that's why the probability is negligible, okay. और negligible, और I can say the probability is basically lambda की terms में है, तो sorry, the probability are in terms of delta, मतलब you can say delta p or some function delta p upon delta t, so it will be very very less, so we are just ignoring that thing, okay. Next is mathematical models of queuing model, ठीक है। How mathematically we represent these queuing models? So जैसे यहाँ पर we have considered lambda and mu. Lambda and mu जो हमने consider किया है, it is basically a Markovian rule है, ये Markovian model है basically, जहाँ पर हम लोग अराइवल और डिपार्चर्स लैम्डा और म्यू के टर्म्स में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, in the terms of Poisson and in terms of exponential distributions. There are other models as well, like Erlang's model is there, and other models you can look upon it. This is very very basic or like widely accepted model, that's why we are reading this thing, okay. So the queuing models are represented using Kendall's notation, okay. So the Kendall's notation is given by AS, means this is basically how you are representing, एक notation type दिया हुआ है, तो उसके अंदर your first term like A, S, C, K and D, okay. So your first terms is for your inter arrival time, and S is service time distribution. C will tell the number of servers, like we have read finite number or it is infinite number, like that. Or N will tell the calling population, okay. And K will tell the number of places in a queue, the number of places in a queue. N will tell the calling population, and D will tell the queue's discipline. So queue's discipline is like either it is following FIFO, either it is following FIFO like first in first out, which is basically जो कि queue में follow होता है। इसके अलावा it can also follow LIFO rule, okay, last in first out करके। इसके अलावा जो there are other disciplines and other rules also that a queue can follow. So ये basically this term will tell the queue's discipline, okay. When only first three notations are given, it is assumed that k is infinite. Like in most of our examples, जो कि हमारे syllabus में जो अलग models दिए हुए हैं, it is basically उसके अंदर केवल starting के तीन notations दिए हुए हैं, like A, S, C. So it is assumed that for last three notations, k is infinite, means your number of places in a queue is infinite. Means basically it is an infinite queue, ठीक है, जो कि हम कंसिडर करेंगे. N is infinite, means calling population is also infinite, and the discipline that we are following is FIFO, means first in first out. Like Markovian chain, which considers Poisson and exponential distribution for arrival and departures, सो जो स्टार्टिंग में है A एंड S मीन्स योर इंटर अराइवल टाइम एंड सर्विस टाइम डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. इसमें हमने कौन सा वाला मॉडल और कौन सा वाला चेन वी आर कंसिडरिंग. It is given by this M. If it is given by this M, then it is a basically Markovian chain, which considers your Poisson and exponential distribution for arrival and departures. So with this thing, we have these basically 5 types of models given in our syllabus, and we'll read about this in next class. Thank you.